Uh-oh. Somebody needs help over there. I'm not gonna go out. Somebody told them not to be driving that no-wheel drive car in the snow. Somebody's gonna get hurt. Oh, that lady needs to get out of the way. Shouldn't get run over.